Sparky Sparks here. Oh my goodness, I have new hair. Oh my goodness, I have been waiting forever for a short redhead like this. So let's do some housekeeping first. So if you're new to my channel, please, please, please subscribe down here. Subscribe in this world means follow. So we'll be connected and you'll be following me. So that's the first thing I'd say is just subscribe and then watch, interact, comment, let me know what your thoughts are. If you like the hair, if you don't like the hair, I review hair for wigs.com here on my channel. And I've also launched a website, so you can check in with me there. Lots of new things will be happening there. And I've recently written a book. So that's my big news for 2025. The book is called Wig Wisdom, and you can also attach or click on my link for my website, and it's on my website, or you can go to Amazon and it's available over there. So let's get to the hair, shall we? Oh my gosh, this color is one of my all-time favorites. It's called SS Pumpkin Spice, and it is absolutely gorgeous, stunning. You've seen me in this color for a lot of different wigs. Let's go for the whole tour all the way around. You can see the back, just pretty, super, super fun. Now, this is by Raquel, or also known as Hair You Wear. This style is called Posh Premiere, and it's in the Sheer Luxury collection by Raquel, also known as Hair You Wear. So gorgeous, gorgeous coloring. Let's take a look at the hairline. You can see it's just flawless. This is a completely hand-tied cap, little stretchy. You can see I'm just messing it up. Let's take it off and look at the inside. Take a tour of the inside of this cap. So if you're new here, I like to start at the outside and then work to the inside, and I'll tell you a little bit about my hair cap and what I do. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Again, remember to subscribe. So I have always had a high forehead. I like to call it an 8 head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost 8 of my fingers fit between my brow bone and my hairline. So it's always been that way. I do have my own hair. I don't usually do my own hair because why? I have wigs, right? That just makes it a lot easier. So what I like to use is a combination wig cap, wig grip. So this is kind of silky with a velvet edge, and the velvet edge has friction if you go run your finger this way. All lace here, so it's a flawless hairline. And then it velcros in the back. So I'm going to show you how I do this. The tag goes on the outside because the velvet has to have friction here to hold the hair. So you see me swim in hair, you see me drive my boat and water ski, and all that's possible because there's friction here which holds the wig on. So now that we have the wig cap on, first thing we do is give the wig a shake. She's been in a box traveling to you all the way from wherever she's going to come from for this particular moment. So that gets the fibers loose. Now inside, we have very sheer, comfortable, just a great wig. So let's put her on. So the first thing we do is I like to dive my head in. You'll hear me say dive my head in. What I mean is I'm going to try to land this lace front right here above my eyebrows. So you're going to hold on to the tags here in the back and put your head in first and pull it down along the back. Now at first it always looks like this for everyone. I've landed the lace front as close as I can to my eyebrows, and it looks kind of silly, right? So I always tell people, pause. This is where you want to take a breath and be kind to yourself because we're not ready yet. We're going to take the ear tabs and move them up on the hairline. So we have 4 fingers here, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the part line or the hairline. So when in question, take a selfie of yourself, and that's kind of redundant, but take a selfie and you'll see how other people are viewing your hairline. So on this wig today, I wanted to wear her opposite of where I normally part my hair. So I'm going to fix her here. I'm going to use some of my water. This is an empty smooth bottle that I've labeled with H2O water, just plain water, and I like the mist on that. This is why I use this bottle. And when I'm just going to spray water in here and work with the fibers because I want them to bend in this direction, and I want them to be kind of sleek around here, and I don't want too much poof. At first, I'm noticing it really poofs up right here, and I don't want that. I want it to just lay down a little bit for me. But if you want bigger hair, this is super easy to manipulate and make bigger. So we look at the hairline, it's very flawless, really pretty. So it kind of messy, it does look good as I'm working with it. Let's look again at the back. Super secure, it's not going anywhere. And if you want to switch to the other side, you can, or if you want to be more all the way in your face and a little mysterious, you could do that. You can do this. There's lots you can do with this style. I love the short hair in the summertime. I love short hair in the summertime because it's off of my neck and super easy to wear. I hope that's helpful. Remember, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to know. Cheers.